MVTV. So, today we are doing something different again.
Exactly. So, as you guys know, I got the GFriend album, and we did an unboxing of this. But now
it's my turn. So today I got today
yes,
I got BTS Tear. Woo!
Yes. So we're gonna do
Unboxing.
well, not really unboxing, just like
Unpacking. Cause
unpacking.
I got excited and I took off the plastic and I was like, wait!
Because we realized that we should film it. So
Yes. So
she said that if she gets a Jungkook
Jungkook.
photo card, that I can have it though.
then she can have
Because
it.
she's really nice.
Yes, I'm a good friend. My hands are sweaty, so it's kind of like leaving marks on it. You want to see? I don't know if you can see, but yeah. Okay, so I got you.
It's so fancy because it's shiny.
Oh yes. Sorry, I got you. So
I got you. Okay.
So, I already got, well, we both got, can I show you?
Yeah.
So we both got, her. This is
Here's my
Grace's.
her.
She has V.
Yeah, I have V.
And I have E. So, yes.
We got this at Walmart.
Yeah.
But yeah,
This one's a gift. So,
from someone.
they
If
know
you're
who
watching
they
this, you
are.
know who you are. You cried.
I cried because of you. Anyways,
Thanks a lot.
this is the CV. The CV is shiny. Now.
All I could think of was shiny. Oh my gosh! Oh, they're black hair.
They're
like
like clones.
Oh my gosh! It's kind of like GFriend's Time for the Moon Night. The dance move, one of their dance moves.
Oh.
It's like that.
This is for the closer. This is yes. If you know what to do with this, please tell me, because I don't know what you do.
Here, let me figure it out. Keep unboxing. Oh, we were also gonna do a story time.
Oh yeah, so Grace is gonna tell her story
Does Food Mom want to make an appearance?
in the story.
No, she
No.
shook her head no.
She said
So I injured myself. Story time. I fell. So pretty much, now she's laughing because she's probably remembering the exact situation. So it all started in school. I was writing a quiz.
this happened after the quiz.
Yes, and they took a picture. I'm not gonna say what the picture was, but they took a picture of me and someone, and
It's a stand.
I got really. There, now you don't have to comment down below. But pretty much what happened. Oh. Okay. So, I was mad at them and they started to run, so I went to chase them. But my backpack, I'm gonna get my backpack because it is huge. It is like a turtle shell on me. It looks like it's gonna blow up. This is my backpack. As you can tell, it's really like next to us.
It's like another human. It's so big. Covering the whole top of her body.
So it's really big, as you can see.
Oh, yeah.
So I was running, and then because of the momentum of my bag, I started to stumble, and it threw me forward, and I fell face first on the floor, and I actually scratched. I don't know if you can see, that line right there. I scratched myself, and then I also kind of got bruised on my knees and stuff, and my glasses
are broken.
you might be able to see that
Like
I don't know.
dented.
See that clearish thing that wasn't there before because I had to get it fixed up.
Yeah.
But
it was
yeah.
worse before.
It was a very intense situation, and then Food Mom said that she was running and she heard my keys and my phone fall. Oh, more proof. My phone screen, the protector cracked. Yeah. So it cracked. But pretty much what happened is she heard my phone and my keys fall, and she turned around and she didn't see me, but she saw my phone, keys, and my bag because my bag was covering me. And then I slowly lift up my head. She's laughing now. But yeah, I nearly got a concussion that day. And I got upset at them because I said that they should have filmed it instead of helping me. Because it'd be really nice to, like, insert the video.
Now, I found the
Yeah.
poster.
Yeah, I slid too. Because my bag, I was, like, sliding. There's, like, a smudge on the floor.
My voice, guys.
My
voice.
You look like an old man. Look at you. You're like literally hearing Food Mom in the background, like this entire time.
Let's see.
Oh,
What
Scooch
is
over, it's
everybody?
not, they're not all in. There you go.
That is Jungle. And it's not Rise. And then B. Same. Is up there.
I don't think they understand you right now. 'Cause I don't.
Okay. So. My hair's flying everywhere. Anyways, on to the actual album now.
Her hair is flying everywhere, you guys.
I'm gonna move closer. Thank you.
Okay, I want to
So this is,
okay, now
First
I'm gonna
page.
go that close to the camera.
and then this is audition. I think that's what that is. They always put those in the albums, but I don't know why.
Email.
Oh,
Reading the English words.
if I need to email
www.bighit.com.
some hands,
Some
more hands.
Hitman Bang. Homepage. Email. Audition at
The poster page.
Wait, there was hands? I want to see the hands. I was reading. I don't normally read.
Hand. Hand.
Z.
Plural. I mean, yeah, plural.
Plural.
Ooh. Pretty pictures. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Ooh, pretty.
Approved.
Some more. Good mom. Approved.
Good mom.
She approves. And then this is next page. She's in jungle. Jungle. You mean that?
She probably just saw Jen.
So this is the photo card.
He's sleeping.
And this is the back. And it is for her.
is it signed?
No,
Oh.
unfortunately not. But let's continue. Now she's just admiring it. V.
You are so loud.
More V. And then some more.
Those are your sweet
More V. Sugar.
I want to
Yungi.
see.
Yungi. Yungi. Okay, stop flaunting Jungkook. Everybody's seen Jungkook already.
Why is it shaking so much?
And then what Yungi? Move it. Yungi.
Okay, I don't know where to put it.
Jungkook. I'm sure that picture's in here. Oh wait, did I show you? My bad. Tisk. I'm bad at this. Jungkook. More Jungkook. More Jungkook.
I needed to see it.
Jeho. 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 Ooh, Jimin. Looking like a beauty.
Beauty queen.
Ooh, yes. See? Slay. Say Jimin. I'm gonna show you. Calm down. Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Yes.
Okay, don't make noises like that.
But it's true.
Ooh.
Ooh. He's such a model.
If they're gonna say monster, I think that's mean.
Mean. Mean.
Mean.
Mean. What, Jean? Jean. 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 Rat monster.
Rat monster.
Rat monster.
If you know where that's from, comment down below. It was a video of an old man.
Yes, rat monster. He is a rat monster. He is a rat monster. Uncle Jimmy the songs, and it's just saying the lyrics. Yes, and I mean, I don't know if you guys want to see lyrics. I'm so sick of this fake love. Insert song, and then it's just song. The song. The songs. 134340, which is Pluto apparently. That's the numbers for Pluto. If you show Jungkook one more time, I'm gonna finesse him back from you. Hit it so quickly. And then it's more songs, and then it's
My wrist! I look like a little crab.
Ew. Okay. And then it's like the thanks to from Suga and RM, then Jungkook and J-Hope and Jin and V. And then it's just the credits. And then just blank page. And then the songs on the back. And that is the Love Yourself album, U version.
U version.
So yes, guys, that is the unboxing. I'm sorry if it was boring. I don't really know how to
Hopefully-
unbox things.
Our story. If you didn't want to watch or listen to my story, you could have skipped over it.
Yes,
Because
it's totally fine.
it's like really irrelevant, but it affected my life, not yours. That kind of sounds
Oh,
rude.
snap.
Like, I didn't mean it. That came out really wrong. Wait a minute, it's affected my life, not yours, so you don't have to listen to it. So I understand if you don't want to listen to it.
Yes, but that is all for today, guys.
Yes, it is. So, please follow our Instagram
Sassy babies.
right here. Yep, Sassy Babies. As well as comment down below if you got the album, what version you got, photo card you got, as well as subscribe, please, like, and yeah. So remember, guys.
Also, tell us what your favorite song
Okay.
from the album is.
Yes.
Yes.
And remember, guys.
Noodles can be expensive. Some depends on them, you know. Alright, bye.
You ready?
No.
Get ready.
I am ready.
Okay. 3,